This is Thomas the Tank's big loader. As you can see, Thomas has been loaded with all his little balls, all his cargo. And with a bit of extra effort, he's on his way. Thomas goes up the hill, backwards, reversing up, puts his load in the hopper, all the way along the track to Percy. Percy takes on the task of collecting all the little cargo, popping it down the chute, and ready to be collected. He then passes back to Thomas, he reverses back into his little pod, and it's all collected. You can reverse him back again if you find that he doesn't collect all the balls first time round. But there he is, Thomas the Tank's big loader.